Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Oma. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this gorgeous, beautiful wig that you are just seeing now with Brazilian wool. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So for this tutorial, I'll be using 3 packs of Brazilian wool. First of all, I'll measure out 20 inches of the Brazilian wool for the back part, and I will measure out 25 inches of the Brazilian wool for the front part. After which, I will now use my bendy rollers for the coiling process. Okay, I will just count out 15 strands of the Brazilian wool that I've already measured out, and then I will roll it on the bendy rollers. After rolling it, I will now put everything in a very hot water with my hair conditioner. Then I will leave it to sit in hot water for like 20 minutes. Then I will remove it from the hot water. I will keep it to dry. Then after which I will now unravel the coils. And that is what I will be using to crochet the back part of the wig. So let's proceed. So I've been able to get my Brazilian wool ready for the back part of the wig. Now I'm moving over to the next step. And for this hair tutorial, I'll be using an adjustable wig cap, okay, and a kinkadation closure. So first of all, I'll attach my kinkadation closure to the wig cap. Then I will use my needle and my thread to sew it down to the wig cap. After sewing it down, I will now cut off the black net under the kinkadation closure. Okay, so after that, I will now use my Brazilian wool, the one I measured out to be 25 inches. I will now use it to ventilate the kinkadation closure before braiding the hair. So I'm done with the front part of the hair. So for the back part, I'll be using the Brazilian wool I've already coiled with my bendy rollers, and I'll be crocheting two strands of the Brazilian wool at the back part and in the middle. But when I reach the front part, I'll be crocheting one as in one strand of the coiled Brazilian wool, so that the hair will not look so bulky at the end of the day. I just want everything to look so natural. So the front part will be one strand of hair each. So I've finally finished crocheting the back part of the hair, the middle part, and some front parts. So let me now unravel my coils, the one I braided in the front. I'll now unravel the coils and then trim up the excesses. The ones that is longer than the other ones in the front, I'll trim it off so that everything will be in the same length. So after unraveling the coils, I will now put my hairspray gel to help me hold the hair tight for a very long time. For this wig to last, it depends on how you use it. And one thing I love about this wig is if you look at the coils and you find out that the coils are no more defined the way you want, you can use your white-toothed comb or your detangling brush to comb it out again, and then use your bendy roller to roll it back and insert everything in hot water, and the coils will still come back and look so defined the way you want it to be. So if you can maintain this wig like this, I bet you use it for a very long time. So let me know your mind about the hairstyle in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay? So I'll wear the wig for you guys to see how the wig looks on me. And for the pattern, this wig is a side part wig. So the pattern I created there, I'll put my makeup foundation there, okay, so that everything will look so natural. I'll just apply my foundation there, then blend it in with my hands. I'll use my hands to blend it in so that everything will look as if I braided it on my own hair. So thank you guys for your massive support. We appreciate you all. And please, we want you guys to help us to share this video with your family and your friends and your loved ones so that you can help us to reach a larger audience. Thank you guys for your massive support, and see you all in our next one. For now, bye. Love you.